In the bustling world of small businesses, staying on the time chart can be tough. You can easily save time by using the right tool and app. At the same time, you can lose time too. It's a challenge that demands both efficiency and precision. And today, we're taking you to a cheat code that will enhance your productivity by saving loads of time. Microsoft To Do. Enhance your productivity and time management by streamlining your daily routine with the incredible features of Microsoft To Do, specifically the My Day function. This intelligent and personalized tool provides you with curated suggestions to efficiently update and organize your daily or weekly to-do list. Recognizing the importance of a well-maintained to-do list, Microsoft To Do ensures that your tasks and commitments are systematically arranged, offering a clear overview of your responsibilities. A meticulously organized list enhances task management and cultivates mental focus, ensuring that you stay on top of your priorities. Microsoft To Do offers a seamless experience with both a desktop app and a mobile app, catering to your task management needs across various platforms. Whether you're comfortably working from home and utilizing the desktop app or on the move with the mobile app, you can effortlessly access and manage your to-do list. This truly cross-platform task management app empowers you to stay organized and in control, making it a valuable companion for maximizing your daily efficiency. mClient. Designed for power users managing a high volume of daily emails, mClient stands out as a big-time savior compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. Supporting all major email services, its cloud deployment with pre-configured server settings via the MSI package format makes it a preferred choice for many businesses. Importing data from other email clients, such as Microsoft Outlook or Thunderbird, is a breeze, requiring just a few clicks. The default structure of mClient comprises 4 sections, but its customizable nature allows users to tailor it to their preferences. Noteworthy is the right sidebar, delivering quick contextual information to enhance productivity, displaying details ranging from contacts and email history to your agenda, all accessible at a glance. Engineered to effortlessly manage substantial inboxes, mClient boasts a super-fast search feature, setting it apart from other email clients that often entail prolonged waits for search results. In the realm of email client software, mClient stands out with its near-instantaneous search functionality. Fleeky. Fleeky makes creating audio and video content as easy as writing a simple document, thanks to its script-based editor. This app is incredible to have content for hours in just minutes, so that saves time and effort big time. With this tool, you can quickly generate videos with natural-sounding voiceovers, all powered by AI technology. Fleeky stands out with its vast library featuring over 2,000 realistic text-to-speech voices in more than 75 languages. What makes Fleeky unique is its combination of text-to-video AI and text-to-speech AI capabilities, providing an all-in-one platform for your content creation needs. Fleeky's versatility allows you to produce various types of video content, from educational videos, explainer clips, and product demonstrations to social media posts, YouTube videos, TikTok Reels, and video advertisements. No matter the format or platform, Fleeky equips you with the tools to bring your creative ideas to life. Odoo. Odoo is another cloud-based inventory management software that is known for its flexibility and customizability. It can be used to manage a wide variety of inventory types, including products, materials, and components. With Odoo, you can create custom workflows, automate tasks, and generate reports. It's completely cloud-based with a fully customized mobile app. This is perfect for small businesses that need a flexible and customizable inventory management solution. It shines with its distinctive management that can understand and assign a wide variety of inventory types. Moreover, it can create custom workflows as well as generate reports based on the data. Thunderbird. Thunderbird, an email client crafted by the Mozilla Foundation, the same minds behind the Firefox web browser, that is an open-source, cross-platform tool. Initially introduced in 2004, Mozilla Executive Chair emphasized the need to separate its development from Firefox. Despite this, Thunderbird persevered and continues to thrive, boasting an array of features and multilingual support in 59 languages. Distinguished by its versatility, Thunderbird is among the select email clients supporting both add-ons and themes, allowing seamless customization. For instance, the Lightning add-in integrates a calendar into Thunderbird, enabling users to organize schedules effortlessly. Additionally, the Enigmail add-in enhances Thunderbird with OpenPGP message encryption and authentication support. Compatible with major operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, Thunderbird stands as a resilient and adaptable email client. Vico. Last but not least, Vico is a cloud-based inventory management software that is designed for small businesses that sell products online. This is a perfect software service for part-time owners or entrepreneurs operating small to medium-sized businesses. It is a good option for businesses that need a simple and easy-to-use inventory management solution that integrates with their e-commerce platform. Its easy and intuitive interface is another plus that is so minimal that everyone from kids to elderly people can use it easily. So while using Vico, owners can track stock levels while receiving real-time inventory updates. There you have it, the top time management software for small businesses. With so many great options available, you're sure to find the perfect solution for your needs. While you are at it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.